In this video, I'll guide you through how to check Agoda hotel facilities so you can be confident about what you're getting before you book. Knowing exactly what a hotel offers can save you a lot of hassle later, whether you care about things like a pool, breakfast, parking, or reliable Wi-Fi. Let's start from the point where you've already searched for a place to stay and you're looking at a list of hotels on Agoda. And the first thing you want to do is open a specific hotel listing. From the search results page, choose a hotel that interests you and click or tap on its name or photo. This will open the full hotel page where all the detailed information is stored. Once you're on that hotel's page, give it a moment to load completely. You'll usually see an overview section near the top with photos, a short description, ratings, and room options. That's useful, but it doesn't always show every facility the hotel has. To see the full list, you'll need to scroll down the page. Slowly scroll until you find the section labeled Facilities or sometimes Amenities. Depending on your device and Agoda's current layout, this section might appear under headings like what you'll find at this property, property facilities, or something similar, but it will always be focused on what the hotel offers on site. When you reach this section, you'll see a list of features the hotel provides. This can include basics like free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and 24-hour front desk service, as well as extras such as a swimming pool, fitness center, spa, on-site restaurant, bar, or room service. Some hotels also list practical things like luggage storage, laundry services, airport transfers, and parking options. Take your time to review the available features carefully. Don't just skim the icons, read the labels or short descriptions next to them. If something is important to you, like having breakfast included or access to a gym, look specifically for those items in the list. If you're traveling with family, check for kid-friendly facilities such as family rooms, children's pools, or babysitting services. If you're traveling for work, you might focus on business centers, meeting rooms, or high-speed internet. It's also worth paying attention to any notes or conditions shown next to a facility. For example, some services might be marked as available for an extra charge or only during certain hours. Parking, airport shuttles, or spa services are common examples where fees or restrictions may apply. If the list looks long, some versions of the Agoda page will show a See More or Show All Facilities link. Click or tap that to expand the full list so you don't miss anything that might be hidden at first glance. As you review, mentally compare the facilities to your needs. If you absolutely must have something like wheelchair access, non-smoking rooms, or pet-friendly policies, make sure it's clearly listed. If it isn't, you may want to check another property or contact the hotel directly to confirm before booking. Once you've gone through the facilities and everything lines up with what you're looking for, you'll have a much clearer picture of whether this hotel is the right fit. That's all there is to it. Open the hotel listing on Agoda, scroll down to the facilities or amenities section, and review the available features in detail to make an informed decision.